Let's try something a little more complicated. In this question, the first thing I'm always going to do is label my hypotenuse, the short side, the long side. This is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I know across from my 30 is the short side, across from the 60 is the long side, and across from the 90 degrees is your hypotenuse. In this picture, I've been given the long side, so I'm going to start with that relationship. Long equals short times the square root of 3. I'm going to fill in what I know. I know the long side is 12. I know my short side is y, and I know I forgot to multiply it by the square root of 3. I want to find y by itself, so I'm going to divide by the square root of 3, which gives me y equals 12 divided by the square root of 3. Now, I can't have a radical in my denominator. I can't divide by a square root of 3. So to get rid of that square root of 3, I'm going to multiply 12 over the square root of 3 by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. Square root of 3 times the square root of 3 cancels out, and I'm left with just a plain old 3. And in the numerator, I have a 12 square root of 3. Now, I can simplify 12 over 3 because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So my final answer for my short side is 4 square root of 3. Once I know my short side is 4 square root of 3, I can use my other relationship. Hypotenuse equals 2 times the short side. My hypotenuse is x. My short side is 4 square root of 3. And then I would just multiply these front two numbers by 2. So my final answer for the hypotenuse is 8 square root of 3.